killing nature's creatures with my fingers. Sure, it's something you would hate to see. They just want to make a little music. I can't stand them walking on my keys. Baby ants and mice, queen spiders and lice. It's so disgusting you could hardly see. Won't you come and chastise me? Been stimulating nature's creatures with my fingers. Sure, it's something you would hate to see. But wants to see me as the one not coming. Might just make you fall in love with me. Baby ants and mice, queen spiders and lice. It's so disgusting you could hardly see. Won't you come and chastise me? Oh no. I've been killing nature's creatures with my fingers. I'm sure it's something